Hey everyone, Kensurfs here. We're in the shave den, and it's time for another shave. This is take 3, believe it or not. It's a Friday, and it's the first day of my vacation. I'll be taking time off work until January the 5th, so I'm very happy to be here, and very happy to be bringing a new product from the folks at the Wet Shaving store. This is a limited edition holiday release, and it's St. Nick's Private Lounge. Look at that. There's St. Nick having a good time in his private lounge, got a cigar going. The top notes are black pepper and nutmeg. The mid are cinnamon and frankincense. And the bottom notes, or the base notes, are dark leather and tobacco. So look at that club, look at that lounge. This is available now. I believe it drops today. And it's, like I said, from the folks at the Wet Shaving store. I'm gonna also be using Kensurfs brush. This one is the holiday brush from 2019. Can you believe I've been doing this that long? 2019. We're going to be using this in today's shave. I'm dropping everything. Dropping brushes, dropping everything. So, going to be using this in today's shave. And my new brushes should be arriving here soon, so I can give them the inspection and give them the green light to go ahead and start production. So I can't wait to try that out. Today's razor is going to be one I haven't used in a while, and actually this is from the Carbon Shaving Company, and this one was machined in 2018. I can't believe, like I said, time has flown, everybody. Seems like just yesterday I was doing my first shaving video. I haven't used this one in a while, and I really like this. It comes in that container. It comes in a bag, and this is titanium. It is very light, very nice razor from the folks at the Carbon Shaving Company. And I'm going to be using this today. I was going to use a Persona or a Wilkinson Sword Gillette, but I think I'm going to use an Astra. So I can't wait to try this soap. The scent is really good. It's got that holiday spirit. Can't quite, my nose is still a little plugged up. Can't quite detect that tobacco in there, but you can smell the rest of this. Definitely a holiday soap, but sometimes you have it. It's nice to fire these up in June and July too when it's summer and you're starting to think about the holiday season. So, all right, let's get this shave started, shall we? Let's take an Astra blade. It's just me and my father-in-law here right now. My wife is helping out with my new granddaughter, and we're kind of bachelor padding it. My son's at work. He should be coming home soon. By the way, that's the skeletonized base plate. I've done the review on this before. You'll see 1 plus there, and then I have another base plate with 2 pluses. So you have your different aggressions. I really like this one, so I'm sticking with the 1 plus base plate. Here we go. Astra blade. Sticking a little bit to it. There we go. Don't want to cut yourself. I was looking at the instructions on the razor, and it says, very sharp, danger, very sharp, those blades. Yes, they are. And if you want to see the review of this razor, you can go back and check it out. This is mainly for the soap, but that's the cap. That's that. Got to shave with something, right? Yeah, that skeletonized base really makes this a light razor. There we go. Very good. All right. Well, I think we're probably ready to start. When I get done with this, I'm going to go chill in the backyard. I've got my Christmas lights around my gazebo in my backyard, and I've got one of those projectors shining up. It's kind of a material tarp or material gazebo. And I've got the Santa and everything projecting that you see on the side of the houses up underneath it. So I can just kick back out there with the dog and enjoy the Christmas show. All right. Oh, some nice hot water. We need that. All right. Got the brush there. You guys ready for the weekend? Anybody taking vacation too? School out yet? School used to, maybe one more week. Been a while since I've been in school, college or high school. Been quite a while. Oh. And now those flavors are coming out. I smell that real good. And I read about the aftershave, and it's non-alcoholic. Non-alcohol. So just soothing relief. So I know I'm not going to get my burn today. My Home Alone burn. My son-in-law and daughter and wife are going to be watching Home Alone 2 tonight. All right, there we go. Let us start. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is not too mild. Soap is slick. Thank you. I was on the carbon shaving site earlier, and man, they got a lot of different razors available since, you know, I started using them. A lot of different choices. And if you go to the wet shaving store, you're going to find a lot of choices on soaps and aftershaves, etc., etc. Here we go. It's cold here. I'm not taking off my flannel. It's cold. It's about 4 in the afternoon. The fog is here, overcast. I can hear the trash guys out. Hear that? Trash guys out front. At least the dog hasn't started barking. I was over earlier visiting my granddaughter, and now I got the my father-in-law hanging out, and I'm probably going to watch some cool action movies tonight. Well, wet shaving store, folks. That soap cut right through that soap and that razor and that blade, that combo. You know, it's a combo. You know, you don't want to just take a razor with any blade and shave without soap. If you do, you're much daringer than me. Much more daring than me. It's always a combo of those 3 things. The soap, the blade, and the razor. Determines, and probably your technique too, determines if you're going to get a good shave or not. Man, she's drying up a little. There we go. And this is definitely a consistency of the soap that I like. There we go. All right. So yeah, this particular soap, I believe, dropped today and is available. Yeah, it's a really nice holiday scent. A little bit different. Santa relaxing in the cigar lounge. You ever been to a cigar lounge? I went to one in the Big Shave Southwest. Don't know if it was 1 or 2, but they had a cigar lounge there. And I went in, had a cigar, and was hanging out for about 2 hours. When we left back to our room, my wife and I, those clothes that we had stunk of cigar, cigar smoke. I go, I can't wear these. I haven't had cigars in a while. I'm not opposed to them. Ooh, got me a little nick there, I think. I had a little nick there. But when I'm done smoking a cigar, I don't want to smell that anymore for that night. Man, you wake up. Ugh. I haven't had a cigar in a while, so who am I to judge? All right. Let us see. Soap out of the ears. I get to go to my dermatologist again for my 3 to 6 month checkup next Tuesday. So far so good. Except I got some freckles. Maybe ask them to freeze off. Okay, I didn't cut myself. Oh, down here I did. Wow, I went too far down. Look at that. I usually stop right here. A little far down. Is that a nick? Not bleeding. So I'm going to call that a good shave. All right. St. Nick's Private Lounge Aftershave. Oh yeah, it's more of a balm. Ooh, a soothing balm. Yeah, no burn there. Just ingredients to help the shave feel smooth. Well, there we go. So what Christmas movies have you watched so far? I've watched, let's see, Christmas Vacation, of course, Charlie Brown Christmas, How the Grinch Stole Christmas, and I think tonight we're going to watch The Polar Express. Oh, and I watched White Christmas with Bing Crosby and Danny F&K. If you've watched Christmas Vacation, you know that quote. But hey, I'm catching up on all of it. I got a couple of weeks before Christmas, my favorite time of the year. So, you know, might as well enjoy the movies and the shows when they're out to watch, when we are able to watch them. All right, everybody, have a great time, great weekend. I look forward to seeing you soon. Like, since I'm on vacation, I might crank out a few more videos very quickly. Until then, stay safe and have a great weekend.